May aso ka bang madaling kabahan or matakot? Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, pero for almost 25 years, I've been an animal welfare advocate. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Not all dogs are confident. Some are sensitive sa sounds, sa movement, or kahit sa energy mo. Kapag anxious sila, hindi pasaway or drama. Simple lang, hindi sila safe sa moment na yon. So what helps? Number 1, lower your voice. Talk slowly. Make your voice soft and gentle. Number 2, move slowly. No to big movements kasi big movements equals stress. Number 3, give space. Let them retreat to a corner or their favorite spot. Number 4, stay nearby but don't crowd. Calm presence lang. Calmness is not something we tell to dogs. They absorb it from us. So remember, kapag kalmado ka, mas mabilis sila kumalma. Safety starts with you. So kung may anxious dog ka, try these tips today. Share this tip to fur parents para mas lalong maintindihan nila ang mga alaga nila.